Hello to my amazing viewers. Welcome to Diet Appears, where health living is made simple, enjoyable, and accessible. I am Timilein Adisa. I'm a registered dietitian. I'm here to help you make healthier food choices for better life. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm glad you are here. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss on any new upload. If you have ever wondered how to eat healthy without breaking a bank, or how to manage disease conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, PCOS, and the likes with food, or you just want just simple nutrition tips to have a better health, and of course to honor God with your body, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be discussing the dangers of cooking with too much oil. Let's get started. Many of us love the taste of fried and oily foods, but what we don't realize is how much damage taking too much oil can do to our body over time. One of the dangers of taking too much oil is unwanted weight gain and obesity. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil that is commonly consumed has about 120 calories. You can imagine, just 1 tablespoon. And this 1 tablespoon has more than 1 grams of saturated fat. So when you have too much vegetable oil on your sauce, on your stew, and you consume it over time, it can lead to unwanted weight gain and obesity. And if you are trying to lose weight, there's oil flowing on your stew, flowing on your sauce, your jollof rice is, oil underneath, then you won't achieve that weight loss. It won't happen by magic because oil has high numbers of calories. Another issue that is associated with taking too much oil, now to make the matter worse, reusing the oil more than 2 times, is that it will raise the bad cholesterol in our body, that is the LDL, and decrease the good cholesterol, which is the HDL, that is important for our heart health, which will clog our arteries and ultimately increase the risk of heart disease and high blood pressure later on in the future. If you are used to cooking with too much oil, I want you to reflect on all that we have discussed. In the future, what happens to your body over time? Think about it. Let me show you a soup bowl. I wish you all can taste this soup. It's very tasty. It's cooked with less oil and the taste is 100%. So ideally, this is how your soup should look like. No excess oil on it. This is super healthy and very tasty. I wish you all can taste the soup. It's very good. And with this, you can even save some money. You use your oil, for a long period of time. So let me give you some bonus tips. Number 1, at all costs, avoid eating out. Cook your own meals. Now, take a look at this. You can't dictate to the cook. You can't control the amount of oils that will be used in meals cooked outside your homes. Number 2, use oil sparingly. Don't cook your soup or your stew like this. Use 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil for a big pot of stew that can feed a whole family of maybe 3 or 4, like 2 times. It will save you some money. Number 3, avoid using oil over and over. Don't reuse oil. It's not good. Avoid eating your oil to a high temperature. I will talk more on that in my next video. And lastly, explore oil-free cooking methods like grilling, boiling, baking, steaming, air frying, and so on. Thank you so much for watching to this time. It shows you are truly intentional about living healthy. Remember that small changes to your cooking habits today can prevent big health problems tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up so it can reach a lot of people. Kindly drop your comments, share this video, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss on any new upload. Thank you so much once again for being here. Bye. See you in my next video.